And this is our live chakra attunement. It's Saturday morning, November 1st, 2025. You can feel the nip in the air. And we're just taking a moment to gather our energy in our center, bring things back to the center. There's so much going on in the outer world. There's so much information that comes towards us all the time. So as you're breathing in, straightening your spine, holding the breath, and at the same time you hold your breath in at the top of the inhale, relax your shoulders, your neck, your body. Notice what you notice, and then release the breath. With a sigh, dropping the jaw. And notice if there's any tension in the body. Just go ahead and release that tension from the body, breathing in, breathing out, surrounding the body in a container of light below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. So creating that container of light, noticing it, breathing in, breathing out, letting yourself relax, the tension leaving, all those extra things that kind of collect to us like burrs from the information on the outside and the worries, just letting them fall off the container and focusing on our center, from the tailbone to the belly, to the solar plexus, to the heart right in the center, to the throat, the third eye, the crown. So nice and aligned, remembering your chakras, where they are, their colors. Adjust your body, so you could imagine as you're adjusting body that your chakras are lining up like a string of jewels and just aligning. You can start to see the colors as you're breathing in and out, and you're working on your container of light below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. And this container of light contains your auric field, your energy field, the subtle bodies, as well as the physical body. Breathing in, breathing out. And we'll open with our prayer to Kuan Yin. Dearest Lady Kuan Yin, we call on you to help us love and accept ourselves fully. We ask that you grant us a full measure of compassion for ourselves and for others, and we pray that those suffering in the world can see and feel your loving presence. We pray that hardened hearts will melt in the presence of your divine compassion. We pray that the waters of grace and compassion that you pour over the earth will nourish the seeds in all hearts, creating gardens of beauty within all living beings. It is our intention to nourish the garden within ourselves through prayer, meditation, right thinking. In our hearts, our gardens flourish, filling up and spilling over into the world the fragrance of the garden. And we thank you with gratitude, dear Lady Kuan Yin, for your presence in our lives and in our world. And continuing to breathe, dropping your attention down to the root chakra, grounding that red energy, breathing in, breathing out. We're just grounding that red energy into the root chakra, nice and deep. Feel it going down the legs, through the bottom of the feet, and imagine just the energy reaching through the crust of the earth and the noise and the life going deeper into the core and connecting to the core energy of the Mother Earth. And bring some of that into your body as you breathe, grounding that red root chakra. The energy sounds that we make for the exercise to kind of wake it up is a very deep tone of Om. And then we go to the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra, which is Lam. Ready? Lam. Lam. And taking a moment, you can just roll your soles of your feet on the earth and maybe even march a little bit and just really feel yourself grounded. I am fully grounded to the new healed whole Mother Earth. I am grounded, balanced, supported by the new healed whole Mother Earth. We breathe that in and we breathe that out. Now we come up to the second chakra around the navel area, hip to hip, kidney to kidney, just feeling this orange energy coming into the body, the energy of creation, your creative ability, and just taking a moment to feel into your inner child, your second chakra with that orange energy. It's a medium-toned Om for the exercise, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is VAM. Ready? VAM. I'm really breathing in the orange, taking the time to feel it, the place it is in your body, feeling it coming into your auric field, your container of light, that orange energy. Visualizing the vibration radiating out from the navel, strengthening your creative force, your sense of inner joy and pleasure in these moments. As much as we have to get caught up in worries and fears, we can find that peace and that joy in the moment, fully present in the moment. So let's try that second chakra again, nice straight spine. Breathing in and out and feeling the alignment of the root chakra at the tailbone, down the legs to the feet, to the connection with the earth. Above it, the shining, spinning energy vibration of the clear orange that we just brought in. And we're going to move up now to the solar plexus. It's above the navel, about 2 inches, and wraps around. It contains a lot of our organs. Breathing in and out this yellow energy. So visualize, tulips and daffodils and dandelions and sunflowers and the sun of the earth itself, and just that rich, warming yellow, drawing it into your personal power chakra, the third chakra. Nice straight spine, red and orange are aligned. We come up to this yellow, wake it up with a high-toned Om, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Ra. Om Ra. Om Ra. And breathing in, feeling the red, the orange, the yellow, strong, spinning in your body, grounding, breathing in, coming up to the central chakra, the heart chakra, the green energy, soft and strong and pure. Breathing into the heart chakra. You can even place a hand on the chest area and rub counterclockwise to bring in a little love for the self, clockwise to spread a little love into the world for others. Taking a moment to just feel the love, concentrate on the compassionate ones, and Kuan Yin and Avalokiteshvara and Jesus, all the compassionate energies, the green taras, the white taras, breathing energy into the body. So deep sigh is the exercise for the heart chakra. So get those deep sighs in and really make some sound. Moving that green energy radiating out, feeling the lotus opening in the heart. Om Mani Padme Hum. Yum is the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. So feeling your heart, take a moment to just radiate from the heart. Thinking of all those beings that you love. I love and accept you exactly as you are, your children, your grandchildren, your pets, your loved ones. Ah, yum. Ah, yum. Feeling that energy extend out for the moment. And imagining you can extend it out to the more difficult issues and people in the world. Ah, yum. Love and acceptance. Ah, yum. We're going to come up to the first of the top 3 chakras, so the blue, the indigo, and the violet, the blue being the throat chakra. So use a real clearing sound. Usually when we take some time to open the heart like we just did, you'll find some choking stuff in the throat. Maybe, as you try to extend love, you feel your parts that are resistant towards some actions and people in the world, and how do we deal with that? The lion breath will help clear the throat chakra. Visualizing the sky blue, releasing the sound, the tongue coming to the chin. Let's get it out. The paws flaring up. Check your jaws, see if you can open your mouth wide and the jaws are loose. H-U-M is also the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra. So this is the mantra for the throat chakra as well. Let's chant it for a while and see if we can get things more open. Hum, 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 hum. And from the throat chakra and that blue, we're going to move to the indigo, the third eye, up here at the brow. Indigo, that deep sort of midnight bluey violet energy. You can turn your palms up here and kind of hold them up around the heart, throat area, whatever is comfortable, with the palms open. And here we take a moment for gratitude. What are you grateful for in this moment? Let yourself express it with sound. I'm grateful for this body. I'm grateful for this day, this new opportunity to practice peacefulness, compassion, to work on my practice, to do my mantras, my meditation. Gratitude for this call and all of you. Breathing in, breathing out. So gratitude for this new opportunity to be at peace, to be fully present in the moment, to be comfortable with uncertainty. Breathing in, breathing out. So it's a high-pitched ee, where you visualize this indigo just flooding through the third eye. The palms are open to receive. At the end of the high-pitched ee, you come down to the chant of Sham, the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra for the third eye. Sham, sham, sham. Sham, sham, sham. Breathing in and breathing out. From the third eye, we go up to the crown, the purple to white light at the top of the head, the top of the skull. Breathing in, breathing out. We keep the palms still held open so that at the last tone dying out that you make for this chakra, you will feel the sense of light, shower of light from spirit coming back to you. So nice and straight, wah, 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 from low to high. And allowing that shower of light to come in and soothe and heal the places that need healing. Strengthen the places that are feeling weak in your practice, or, dealing with whatever you have to deal with. So letting that energy come back in, open to receive. You can make a statement, I am open to receive all that is good, all that is strong, all that is balancing, all that is strengthening. Breathing in, breathing out. And we go again. One syllable Sanskrit mantra sound is Om for the crown chakra. So when we come to this chakra, we do the Om for the chakra and the Om to seal the practice today. So taking a moment with the hands spread open to receive. As you start to tone the Om, begin to turn them together towards one another and meet in Anjali Mudra or meet in laying on the chakras, the heart perhaps, or the belly, wherever you need a little boost of energy. So breathing in, let's tone together 3 times to seal our practice today, to acknowledge each other for being here, to acknowledge and bring our energy into the world, to thank Spirit. Ready? Om.